Hello children, we have completed up to question number 6. Now we are starting with question number 9 of exercise 17.2. Now question is slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter. Slant height, that is L is 25 meter, correct? And diameter, that is diameter is 14, it means radius will be 14 by 2, that is 7 meter. So slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter. 25 meter slant height and radius is 7 meter. Next is respectively find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area. Specifically it is mentioned, find the cost of whitewashing the curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Rupees 210 per 100 meter square. This is the cost given, correct? Clear? So we have to first, what is the area? What is the area required for whitewashing? Area required for whitewashing its curved surface. Curved surface means curved surface area of cone, that is pi r l, correct? This is the area required for whitewashing, that is pi r l. So this will be, we will calculate pi r l. Substitute the value. 22 by 7, radius is 7, L is 25. It means this will be 550 meter square, correct? So this will be 550 meter square. But we have to find the cost. We have to find the cost. So area we have calculated what? Area required is 550 meter square. Here the cost is given, see, for 100 meter square, the cost is rupees 210. So for 1 meter square, cost will be 210 upon 100, correct? That is 2.1 rupees, correct? Cost will be 2.1. So therefore the total cost or the cost required, this will be total area 550 into 2.1. This will give your, correct? This will give your answer here. Calculate. Here this will give here. So 550 is there. Multiply 5. It means answer will be rupees 1155. That will be the answer, correct? Next. So next is question number 10. Conical tent is 10 meter high and radius of its base is 24 meter. 10 meter high means vertical height 10 meter. Radius of its base is 4 meter, correct? Sorry, 24. So this is given. Next, we have to find slant height of the tent. Slant height means L is equal to under root h square plus r square, that is 24 square plus 10 square, that will be 526 meter. Correct? 576 plus 100, 676, that is 26 meters length height. Done. Now find the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Find the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Okay. Cost of canvas required to make the tent. It means we have to find what is the area required for the tent. What is the area required for the tent? Area required for the tent means area of the canvas. Area of the canvas required for the tent. When you are making the tent, the cloth of the canvas is used only in the curved surface or not. When we are making the tent, the canvas or the cloth is used only in its curved surface. Correct? It means we will calculate what? Area of canvas required for making the tent is equal to curved surface area of cone or curved surface area of tent. Correct? So it means we will calculate pi r l. 22 by 7, radius is 24, length height is 26. Correct? Pi, nothing is mentioned about pi. It means we have to take 22 by 7. So this will not be cancelled. Correct? So we can multiply, and then at last the cost is given for 1 meter square is rupees 70. So this is the area required for area of the canvas required for making the tent. This is area. Now cost of canvas will be 1 meter square. Cost is 70. So this much square will be 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 into 7. This will give the cost. Correct or not? At last we will multiply and divide. Correct? This is the area of canvas required. Why? Pi RL. Since when we are making the tent, area of canvas or canvas is required in only curved surface area. You can see, not in the base. That is why we are calculating pi RL. And the cost for 1 meter square is rupees 70. That is why at last we have multiplied by 70. So this 2 will be cancelled. Correct? Now we have to multiply. So this will be first these two. 48, that is 8, 528. Correct? Then 528 into 26. Correct? So this will be 8, 7, correct? And 10 is also there. It means finally the answer is rupees what? Rupees 13728. Correct? That will be the answer. Units are same everywhere. So that is the final answer. Next is question number 11. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. So radius is 7 cm. Height means vertical height, that is 24 cm. Both are given in centimeter. Find the area of the cloth required to make 10 such caps. Again same question. You have seen joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone. In the cap, the cloth is used only making its curved surface. In the cap or in the tent, the cloth is used only in its curved surface. So, what is the area of cloth required? First, we have to find slant height. Why? Curved surface area includes slant height. So slant height will be LH square plus R square, that is 24 square plus 7 square, and that will give 576 plus 49, that is 625. It means 25 centimeter. Correct? So area of cloth required, area of cloth required for 10 such caps. For one cap, it is pi RL. So for 10 into pi RL. Correct? For one cap, what is the cloth used for making the cap? Only its curved surface, that is pi RL. So for 10 caps, 10 into pi RL. Correct? Now substitute all the values. So this will be 10 pi is 22 by 7. R is 7, L is 25. Correct? So this will be it means 5500 centimeter square. Correct? 5500 centimeter square. That is the answer. Clear? Next. So next is 12C part. The height and the radius of the base of a right circular cone is half the corresponding height and radius of another bigger cone. Find the ratio of their volumes and the ratio of their lateral surface areas. So it means we are having two cones. Let for bigger cone. For bigger cone. Radius R, height H. So if radius and height are R and H, let slant height will be L. Correct? And L will be equal to under root H square plus R square. Correct? These quantities. Next. And for a smaller cone, what is the relation given? Relation is radius and height. Both are half of the corresponding radius and height of the bigger cone. It means radius will be R by 2. Height will be H by 2. Correct? Here, slant height L under root H square plus R square, and for smaller cone, radius and height both are R by 2 and H by 2. So, what is the slant height of the smaller cone? Formula will be same what? Under root radius square plus height square. Correct? So, what is the radius here? Radius is R by 2 square plus H by 2. Clear? Formula for slant height is under root radius square. Here the radius is R by 2. H square and H is H by 2. So we can see 1 by R square plus H square by 4. Correct? R square plus H square by 4. Finally, that will come L by 2 by C R square plus H square by 4, and under root R square plus H square is L under root R square plus H square is L. It means this is L, and under root of 4 is 2. It means that is L by 2. Correct? From here we are calculating this. L equal to under root H square plus R square. This is L, and under root of 4 is 2. It means slant height is also half. Clear? Now, first part, we have to find the ratio of their ratio of their volumes. First part. ratio of their. So their volume means first you will read what is given first, a smaller cone or bigger cone. A smaller cone, it means the ratio of their volume means volume of larger cone upon volume of smaller cone. Correct? So, sorry, not larger. First, what is mentioned in the question is smaller. So, we will take volume of smaller cone upon volume of bigger or larger cone. Correct? How you will find this? How we will decide? We will read the question. In the question, first statement, initially it is mentioned about the smaller cone, and for the bigger cone it is mentioned later on. So, formula will be same what? Same formula we are using, but quantities will be different. So, for a smaller cone, 1 upon 3 pi. The radius of the smaller cone is r by 2 and height is h by 2. Correct? Radius and height of a smaller cone is r by 2 h by 2. For a bigger cone, no problem, 1 by 3 pi r square, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 pi cancelled. Here r square h cancelled. See what is left then? H cancelled. Here this will become r square upon 4. It means r square cancelled. So this will become 1 upon 8. So ratio will be 1 is to 8. So ratio will be correct. See, we are calculating in fraction, but the question is about the ratio. Question is asked about the ratio. So final answer will be in the ratio form. What is asked in the question? So ratio is 1 is to 8. Correct? Next one is second part. Ratio of their lateral surface areas. Lateral surface areas means curved surface areas. Ratio of lateral surface areas. It means ratio of curved surface area. Lateral means this. It means curved surface. So, curved surface area of smaller cone upon curved surface area of larger cone. Correct? So, curved surface area for formula is same pi RL. Formula is pi RL. Pi radius of a smaller cone is r by 2. And slant height of a smaller cone is also L by 2, correct? Pi r by 2, L by 2. And larger cone, it is pi r L. So pi cancelled, r and L cancelled. What is left? 1 by 4. It means the ratio will be 1 is to 4. Ratio will be 1 is to 4. That is the question. Understood? Next. Next question, very good question. Find what length of canvas 2 meter in width. It means width or breadth of the canvas is given 2 meter is required to make a conical tent 20 meter in diameter and 42 meter in slant height, allowing 10% for folds and stitching. Also find the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. It means the question is, canvas is here and shape of the canvas is rectangular. Shape of the canvas is rectangular. Length is not given, we have to find the length, but the width or the breadth is given 2 meters. Correct? Now from this canvas we have to make a conical tent. We have to make a conical tent. And for the tent, what is the diameter? Diameter is 20 meter. It means radius is 10. Slant height is given what? Slant height is 42 meter. Correct. And one more thing is given. See, this canvas is used making the conical tent, but in making the tent, cloth is used in two parts. One part in the tent, another part is 10% for folds and stitching. Correct? 10% for folds and stitching. 10% folds and stitching means both are included in this. It means we will take 10% of this tent. Correct? Not 10% of this. Total canvas is used in making the tent. Okay. It means area of the tent is equal to curved surface area of the tent, but along with the curved surface, some cloth is used in folds and stitching. What is the percentage? 10%. It means what we can write? We can write, see this am that I am writing area of canvas is equal to curved surface area of tent plus 10% of curved surface area of tent. So why I have written this? It means for making the tent, canvas is used in two parts. One is curved surface, another one is folds and stitching. And what is the area used for folds and stitching? 10%. It means 10% of curved surface area of the tent. So area of canvas means length into breadth. Curved surface area pi RL, R and L both are given. All the units are in meter, that is same unit. So this statement we are going to use. Understood? So I am writing on seconds. So area of canvas, length into breadth. Length is not given, breadth is 2. So this is 12 meter square. Correct? So this will be equal to what? Pi RL curved surface area plus 10% of pi RL, and both will be equal. See this statement. By area of canvas 2L, not 21, that will be equal to curved surface area plus 10% of curved surface area, that is used in folds and stitching. Correct? So this will be pi RL is common, that will give 1 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 12. It means this is nothing but 11 by 10 into pi RL is equal to 12. Here L and L both quantities are same, so we can take this as capital L. Correct? We can take this as capital L. Correct? So now we are going to find, substitute all the values. Values are, see, 11 by 10, pi is 22 by 7. Radius is given what? Radius is 10. 10. Slant height is given 42. And this is equal to 2. Correct? So this is 10 and 10 cancelled. 7 into 6. So capital L will be, and this is 2 into 3. So capital L will be 66 meter. Correct? Capital L means length of the canvas used. Correct now, or something is left? First say it properly. 10, 10 cancelled. 7 into 6, 2 into 3. No, no. One thing is left. Which one? 11 is also left, na? So 11 into 22 into 3, that is 33 into 22. Capital L will be 33 into 22 meter. Correct? So this will be 726 meter. That is L will be 726 meter. Correct? This is the length of the canvas used. So we have calculated. See how we have calculated. Very good question. It is correct. Curved surface plus 10% of curved surface of the tent used in folds and stitching. That will be equal to the area of canvas. Canvas is in the shape of rectangle. That is length into breadth. For the canvas we have taken capital L, and for the cone we are taking small l. So after simplification calculation, capital L is length of the canvas used 726 meter. Now second part is also find the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. You can see the cost is given in rupees 80 per meter. When you will go to purchase the canvas, then canvas is in the shape of rectangle. It is in the rolled form. So the cost is based on the length. Correct? And length we have calculated what? 726 meter. So what is the cost of canvas used? Cost of canvas used, that will be equal to say rupees 80 per meter. Correct? It means for 1 meter it is rupees 80. So therefore 80 into total length, that is 726. This will be correct. Say it. So this is the cost of canvas used. 80 into 726 rupees 5808